right hand plays the epic melody. Very important, build your epic melody using chord tones. We are in the key of A minor. So use A, C and E in all combinations. And use passing notes like this from A to B to C, or from C to D to E. Combine them and use other keys, or D minor or G major. Now, either way to make your melody sound truly epic. Instead of playing it with single notes, try doubling it in octaves, like we did. Or use thirds, like this. Or use a combination, thirds with the octave, like this. This is the third, and this is the octave. Both techniques instantly make your melody sound bigger, stronger, and more orchestral. And here's a trick. Imagine you are not just a pianist. You are an entire orchestra. The right hand in the middle register. These are the warm strings. And your right hand in the higher register. These are the soaring violins shimmering above everything. And your left hand, that's the whole orchestra. The basses, the cellos, the brass, the deep power. So let's quickly look at what the left hand is doing. I'm using simple chord progressions. Major, minor, sometimes open fifth and often spread out to give more space. We use here A minor, F major, G major, A minor, and the second part, A minor, F major, D minor, and E minor. One of the most important things in cinematic improvisation is to understand the different aspects that came together. The melody, the harmony, and the dynamics. It's not just about playing notes, it's about how these layers interact and create emotion. To help you with that, I have created a free PDF guide. It gives you a clear structure for practicing step by step. You will find the link below in the description. Now, let's make things more interesting. Counter-melodies. Think of them like a conversation. In the middle register, say something. And the higher register replies, almost like an echo or an answer. Or here. Next one, next question. And here comes the answer. Or here. It's question and answer, two voicings influencing one another, weaving together just like characters in a dialogue. It's very important. Practice counter-melodies. Feel free to use all of the different variations. Now, let's put everything together. Melody, counter-melodies, deep orchestral chords, and dynamics that rise and fall like waves. Here's the improvisation. I will use some variations of the melodies and chords and counter-melodies. Have a listen and identify the melodies, the question, the answer, the chords, the dynamic, the interactions. Have a listen. If you would like to dive deeper and have a guide for your own practice, don't forget to grab the free PDF, Your Roadmap to Cinematic Improvisation, a link below. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment. Maybe tell me what kind of cinematic mood you would love to explore on your own improvisation. See you in the next video, and until then, keep creating beautiful cinematic melodies on your own piano.